Everything you see here in the navigation bar are the navigation tools. Today, in this video, we will be talking about the navigation tools that are important and will be used by you on a regular basis. The first thing you need to learn is zooming. You'll need a mouse for this one. Just move your crosshair to the area you want to zoom into. This thing you see with a small box and 4 lines is known as a crosshair. Let's say I want to zoom into this bedroom over here. I'll just move my crosshair to the bedroom and use my mouse wheel to scroll in. And now to zoom out, I'll just scroll out or scroll in the opposite direction. If you are using AutoCAD on a laptop or a notebook though, you don't have a mouse wheel. So what you can do is just right click and click on this zoom tool. You'll see an icon looking like lens. So to zoom in, press the left mouse button and move your cursor up to zoom in and down to zoom out. But this is not the best method since you can't zoom in on a particular point like you could with a mouse wheel. But worry not, there's a way for everything. Just go to this navigation bar on the right, you'll see the zoom tool. Now click on this arrow pointing downwards and you will see many functions related to zoom. Click on this zoom in tool and your picture will be zoomed in. To zoom in further, just keep clicking on it again, like this. To zoom out, go to this little arrow again and select zoom out. As soon as you do that, your drawing will be zoomed out a little. To zoom it out further, just keep clicking on it. To zoom in on a particular object without a mouse wheel, there are 2 ways. First, go to the zoom options and select this zoom object. After you do that, just go to your drawing and click on the object you want to zoom in on. I'll select the bed here and press enter. You'll be zoomed in. But if you want to zoom into a particular area with certain objects, just select multiple objects with this tool. Let me show you. Say I wanted to zoom in on this whole bedroom and not just the bed. I'll go on and click on this zoom object tool. Now I'll select the 4 walls of my bedroom that I want to zoom in into and press enter. Here you go. Or you can use another tool called zoom window. Just go to the zoom menu and click on this zoom window tool. Now go over to the area you want to zoom into. This time let's zoom in on a bath. I'll just go over here to the bath and select this area and I'm zoomed in. You don't need to press enter with this one. Okay, so you're having fun zooming in and zooming out. Let's say you go a little overboard and zoom in a little too much. Like this. You can't even see my drawing now. You can wheel out and go through the trouble of zooming out, or you can use this zoom extends tool and do it in an instant. Just go to the menu here and select zoom extends. Your drawing will fit in your canvas. You see more drawings here because this is the actual drawing. I was just showing you a part of it. Now you can also use this tool when you have zoomed out a lot and don't even know where your object is anymore. Also, this is a way to fit your drawing into your screen if you want to do that. This is all you need to know about zooming. Now, there is one more interesting tool here on the navigation bar we use often. It's called the pan tool. What it does is, it helps you move on your canvas or you can say your screen. To use this pan tool, simply press the scroll wheel of your mouse and drag it in any direction you want to move. Like this. And again, if you are using a laptop or a notebook, just right click anywhere on the screen and select this pan tool. You'll see a hand icon on your screen. Now, press the left mouse button on the place you want to move and drag your cursor in any direction you want to move your drawing to. Okay? You can also select pan tool from this navigation bar. Select this hand icon from the navigation bar and just use it the same way I just showed you. Also, a bonus tip, if you ever forget the function of a tool, any tool, just place your cursor over it and wait. Here, you'll see a brief info about what the tool does or how it works. Like if I go over to the draw tool circle, here it will give me an example of how the tool works. That's it for the video, guys. Like if you like the video and subscribe if you want to watch the complete course. I'll link down the playlist of the complete course below. Thank you for watching and enjoy life.